Hello, my Jamaicanomics Global Collective. The Jamaicanomics Rebellionaires are coming. This is not a channel. This is a movement. Let me say this clearly so you can hear me again. This is not a YouTube channel by itself. This is a movement. And if you're just here to feel good, guess what? I'm sorry, but you're in the wrong place. But if you're ready to be challenged, if you're ready to be provoked, if you're ready to rebuild your life, then you might already be a Jamaicanomics Rebellionaire. Let's get right into the video, shall we? The Jamaicanomics Rebellionaires was not something I just sat down and created out of thin air. It was born out of you. Let me explain that. Out of the comments that I read, I think I read about 90% of them so far. Out of the frustration that I'm seeing online. Out of the ideas that people are sitting on, and it's hundreds of thousands of them. Out of the pain and the potential. I started my global collective to see a pattern. There are people watching this channel who think differently. Who is a Rebellionaire? Who is a Rebellionaire? A Rebellionaire is a thinker. A Rebellionaire is not a follower. A Rebellionaire is a leader in their own game. A Rebellionaire questions things that are not right. A Rebellionaire does not accept limitations as final. A Rebellionaire is someone who says, I refuse to live beneath what I know that I'm capable of. You're not lazy. You're just misdirected. And we, the Jamaicanomics Rebellionaires, we're here to help you correct that. Now, my global collective, let me tell you what we stand for. We stand for mental health awakening over comfort, action over excuses, skill over struggle, ownership over government dependency, discipline over distraction. We're not here to complain about everything, about what is wrong in Jamaica and what is wrong in the Caribbean. We're here to rebuild it, one Rebellionaire at a time. Here is my position on this, right? And this is very important. I'm not here to make you feel good. If that's what you're looking for, bye. I'm not here. I am here to do what? I'm here to offend you into action. Yep, that's it. I'm here to provoke your mind. I'm here to help you open up your eyes. I'm here to trigger the skill and the experience within you to come out. Because you see, my Rebellionaires, comfort has kept you stuck long enough in the Western societies. People don't follow just channels. They follow movements. And the Jamaicanomics Rebellionaires is a movement of thinkers, a movement of builders. Yes, a movement of Caribbean people who are done with the excuses and playing small. This is not hopeless. This is the most hopeful time in the Caribbean history. You have access, whether or not you believe it, access to land, access to AI, access to fruits and vegetables and farming and ideas, access to your own westernized experiences. What you don't have is alignment and know-how. And that is what this movement is here to fix. So, I'm not begging you to join anything. That's far from my mind. I'm simply saying, if something in you is waking up right now, if something in you is telling you, you know what? I've seen too many people come to the Western society and they spend 15, 20, 30, 40, 50 years and still have nothing. I don't want that to be me. If you are 40, 50, 60, 70 years old, you know that you can have a better life in the Caribbean. But all you're looking at is the imperfections. Then it's time for you to move and do something. It's time for you to transition. It's time for you to transition and join the Jamaicanomics Rebellionaires movement. Do you know how you can transition? The first thing you do is make a plan. You start by getting the Jamaicanomics Rebuilders Guide. Because that is your first step into thinking differently. That's your first step. The second step is for you to download the 2 free guides. A small mini rebuilder's guide and a mindset rebuilding. Because too many of us Caribbean people are still redoing, rebuilding, and perfecting the colonizers' ways, which is causing us to fail. Now this weekend, before Sunday, I will be putting a link in the bio. And that link will take you to the Jamaicanomics Rebellionaires platform. You're going to get all the support that you need there. Questions asked. I won't be the only one. For everyone who joins it, they're going to have experiences. And by the way, let me share something with you how important this is. I need to learn from you too. So the more of you that comes in and start expressing yourself, not complaining, but genuinely giving absolutely amazing solutions, it don't mean that everything my Jamaicanomics Collective is going to be solved at one time. But you know, there's a saying that goes like this, right? The journey of a million miles begins with what? One step. One step. And once you make that one step, it's no longer a million miles. Change cannot come unless we speak. Change cannot come unless we act. And it's been going on for a very, very long time. The Jamaicanomics Rebellionaires will be introduced this weekend. We're going to go deeper. We're going to build structure. We're going to talk about things. We're going to create support for you. We're not leaving you to figure this all out by yourself. We're going to even deal with AI and AI trainings as we go along. You don't become a rebellionaire when I say so. Nope. You become a rebellionaire when you decide that enough is enough. You decide that too much foolishness sometimes goes on in the Caribbean. You decide that there are too many empty houses sitting in Jamaica and people just building and building without a cause, without a mission, without a vision. You decide that. And the question for you today is, are you ready to stop watching alone and start rebuilding? Are you ready to just keep listening to the content and ruminating and not taking action? Or are you going to press the button and subscribe? Or are you going to go in and press the link and come into the Jamaicanomics Rebellionaires movement? I'll see. I will see. If you're serious about it, I will see you in the next video, and I will see you in the Jamaicanomics Rebellionaires movement. God bless you. Thank you so much for allowing me to share. I appreciate you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.